Everyone is telling you how to do affiliate marketing wrong. And for a long time, I did affiliate marketing this exact same way. And it wasn't until I made this slight change that I started seeing lots of success. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the old way of affiliate marketing, the new way, the better way of affiliate marketing, and invite you to a special opportunity if you want to learn more. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. Let's go ahead and get right into it. The old way of affiliate marketing, people are telling you, is to go out, get your affiliate link, and create content and send people either to a landing page or directly to the offer. That's what I used to do. That's what I had been doing when I first got started because that's what I saw people do over on YouTube. Now that is the old way of doing it. That way worked maybe 5, 6, 7 years ago when affiliate marketing wasn't as popular. There wasn't so many people doing it. There wasn't so many people aware of it. There might not be a lot of people still doing affiliate marketing, but there are many more people that are aware of it. And so it can be kind of a challenge. So that's one of the reasons why I recommend email marketing, but that's a different story for a different day. Again, the old way was, let's say I wanted to promote video cameras to YouTubers. I would go out, create content geared towards YouTubers, and then say, hey, look, click the link in the description for the best camera for YouTubers. That's the old way. It doesn't work as well. This new change that I made, and I made this about a few years ago, once I realized that I wasn't as successful as I wanted to be, I made this slight change, and we're going to talk about that change, and we're going to talk about everything that you should do to this weekend to start seeing success immediately. So obviously what you want to do is you want to go out and figure out what your target audience wants to know. For this example, we're going to help YouTubers start a YouTube channel. And I have a channel, it's called startthechannel.com, where I help YouTubers get started. And so what I used to do was just create content, upload it, and walk away. A better opportunity, much more profitable opportunity, is to figure out everything that YouTuber wants and needs in order to be successful. So if we go over here, and I'm just going to click how to start a YouTube channel like this, hit enter, and you're going to take a look that there are millions of views to be had in this space. You can see here that this top result, 700,000 views from 5 years ago or 5 months ago. Video influencers, 727,000 views from a year ago, and they're probably all doing affiliate marketing wrong. So in the past, I would just go get my affiliate link and put it in the description of the video and hope for the best. But what you should do, if you are targeting people that want to start a YouTube channel, is you should write down every single thing that they need. As you can see on the screen here, I wrote down start a YouTube channel. People need hardware, microphone, camera, lighting, computers, software, something like TubeBuddy, vidIQ, Canva, or photo editing, video editing. They're probably going to want to look at different ways to make money and get views. Now, this is important to your success as a affiliate marketer, online business owner. You want to really understand everything that your customer needs so that they can be successful. The great thing with starting an online business or solving problems is that there are multiple problems to solve within any given niche. We can look at make money online. They need different hardware and software to be successful. If someone wanted to learn how to lose weight, there are multiple things that you can promote to them to be successful. And so this is what I started doing in most of my niches, and I plan to continue to do with all of the niches that I'm in. I first will write down 10 or 15 different affiliate programs. And with that in mind, I try and figure out all of the different problems that come with the niche. As you can see here, when I wrote down start a YouTube channel, I have hardware, software, and so on. The next step is to, yes, you're going to create a free landing page. You're going to get them started with email marketing, and you are going to provide something of value. It can be a YouTube channel checklist, which I provide when they enter their name and their email. It's just a step-by-step guide on things that they need to do to make sure that they upload correctly. You can find that on the internet. You can actually hire someone to create that for you. But this is just a simple little guide that your target audience is going to deem valuable. Okay, but this is where it takes a little bit of turn. Up until now, I have gone over what everybody else talks about when it comes to affiliate marketing. You're going to create content. You're going to send them to a landing page. You're going to collect their email address. Some people even tell you to write down multiple affiliate programs or offers that you can provide. But this is the key, and not a lot of people are doing this. On that next page, instead of just sending them to a thank you page, you should actually be selling them something. Yes, you should be selling them something that is cheap, inexpensive, but they still find valuable. So for example, if we're looking at this, how to start a YouTube channel, you could sell them a guide to setting up their microphone properly. You could sell them a cheap little guide to selling or setting up their camera. You could give them a cheap little guide on 5 ways to make money online. And then you can create this over the weekend. You can create this using a Google Doc. And the reason why this changed my business is because I started making money on the front end. If you're an affiliate marketer and you're struggling to earn commissions and you're pressing and you're trying so hard, you should try this approach, because you're going to start seeing some money. You're going to start building a list of buyers. Now, building a list of buyers is incredibly important, because these people have shown to you that they're able, willing, and ready to buy again and again and again. And so again, I did this a few years ago. I actually created something with regards to TikTok, or vertical videos, called the 60-second business blueprint. If you've watched this and you purchased it, you know that this works. What I do is I collect name and email addresses. Everyone goes to alstongodbolt.com/start. And then on that next page, instead of seeing a thank you page or congratulations, I actually sell them a 43-page ebook for $5. That's an incredible value because of the potential return on investment. I'm building a list of buyers, quite frankly, and I can offer different services to them. I can offer an elevated level of service. And really, that's how you can build your business. Instead of worrying so much about the affiliate commissions, worrying about, when your next commission is going to come in, you can start building a secret list of buyers and put them in a separate list, and you can market to them differently. You can talk to them differently because they have a level of trust. And then in order to start making affiliate commissions, what you can do then, you can send them to a space where they log in to get their downloadable guide. And within that guide, you're going to have affiliate links within, and I use ClickFunnels, but you can do the same thing with Teachable or Kajabi. You can also put affiliate links throughout your delivery, your deliverable. And this is, I guarantee you, if you do this, and this is exactly what I do, if you do this, you're going to increase your income by 5, 6, 7, 8, maybe even 20%, because you're going to have a list of buyers. You can talk to those guys differently. And believe it or not, setting this up isn't that difficult. What you'd want to do is first figure out exactly which one of these micro offers is what people are calling them. Figure out which one of these offers you can create relatively quickly, you know a lot about, and that you can package it up and sell it. You could also, if you wanted to, you could hire someone to do this, but I recommend that you sit down and over the next few hours, even a weekend, you create something, whether it's a short mini course, it could be a blueprint, as I mentioned, it could be an audiobook, it could really be anything, but you want to make sure that it has an immense amount of value. So you're simply going to create that, and then you can use something like ClickFunnels to sell it. And that's exactly what I do. On my page here, what I do is I collect your email address, and then I automatically redirect you to this $5 offer. Once a segment of the population buy it, they get instant access to it, but I include affiliate links in there, all things that they need. So again, if I were to do this for people that want to start a YouTube channel, I would first send them to a landing page like normal. And then the thank you page is actually going to be a product that I sell for $5. Now you can test this $5, $17, $27, but I like to keep it relatively cheap or inexpensive just so that I can start developing a list of people. And then that blueprint or guide, that little offer that I create, is going to be based on one of these things. Maybe there is a special way to use TubeBuddy that no one else is talking about. You sell that to them, and then you include your affiliate link to TubeBuddy, and then you can make money there. And then once they purchase it, they get sent to a thank you page where they can actually download the product. That thank you page is going to be behind a login where people have to enter in their name and their email address, and then they can see all of these different offers that you promote to them as well. But this is the future of affiliate marketing. You want to have a tiny offer on the front end right before they leave to entice a segment of your population. Now remember, about 90% of people don't buy right away. And so if you're not offering them something on the front end, you're missing out on 10 to 15% of sales. So let's assume out of 100 people, 90%, 90 people aren't going to buy right away, but 10 people would buy and they buy your $5 offer. That's a $50 that you're missing out on the front end. And you have a separate list of buyers that you can actually really help them and figure out what they need. A good portion of your mailing list are tire kickers and freebie seekers. And so that portion of your list isn't going to generate you any money. However, the people that buy up front and they buy from you immediately, they know, like, and trust you enough to invest in you and your business. And if you deliver a quality product, you can sell more to them on the back end. You can send them to a separate mailing list and email them about additional offers, products, and services. And you could even eventually start your own online business coaching program using that list of buyers as your catalyst, as your springboard, because you can figure out exactly what challenges that group of people are facing, and then you can create that and sell it to them. So the old way does not work as well anymore, where you just send them to an affiliate offer. The new, better way is to give them a very inexpensive front end offer so that you can break even or even make money immediately, and then you actually have a list of buyers. So if you are struggling with affiliate marketing, try this method out. More importantly, if you want additional help in setting this up, I would be happy to work with you. Just go over to 90daybusiness.com and you'll learn how to get all of this set up more in depth. And I can actually partner with you and walk you through this entire process. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.